Hi everyone and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I'm Tammy with Treasure Hunting Chicks. We're outside of the Goodwill today and it is Dollar Monday, so it just might be pretty busy inside, but that's okay. We're gonna go and see what kind of treasures we can find on the shelves. It's a rainy day here in Vegas, which is much needed, so it's a good day to be inside. So let's go in and get her done and I'll see you guys inside. So here we are in the hard goods. Looks like they still have some Christmas left. A lot of stuff is still here from the last time that we visited. Peeps! That's cute. Are you my peeps? Oh, it's just made out of resin. I thought it was glass. So over here are some vases. This one has been here for quite a while. Not really seeing a whole lot today. That is painted glass. I think we might take that one and check it out. So I'm going to put it in the cart to check it out. Yeah, not really seeing anything in the vases today. Lots of faux flowers and plants. So far, the music's not very loud today. Let's keep our fingers crossed. And then around the corner here, we've got the candles. Here we are in the candles, and I'm seeing a lot of stuff that was here before. This is pretty. It is Hallmark, and they came in a set of 3, so I don't think the one would be of much value. Oh, we have a Linux. I can't remember the name of the castle. Let's look at the bottom. Falkenstein. They want $20 for that. It is pretty heavy. I might have to search that one. Oh, this is cute. Beads and wires. It's a little lampshade. I have to look that up too. Oh, here's another one. I'll put these back together. Oh, one's darker than the other. Okay. So maybe there is a third one around here somewhere. I do like them. Great for fall. Still no luck on a glassy baby. But we continue to look. It does have a mark on it. It feels like it's some kind of stone. We might have to look that up too. $3.99. So we may be finding some goodies today. I don't really deal a lot with the clear glass because it just doesn't seem to move unless it was like you know, Waterford crystal or something like that. And those little statues don't really do very well either. I have, or I should say I had one listed for a while and it didn't even really get hardly any views. So we're going to swing around to the metals and see if we can find something cool here.
Yeah, but for me, I don't think it's painted unless you know what I mean. Like, I know.
Looks like somebody started a cork project, but it's missing some corks now.
So I like to put all my stuff on.
Gimme any more.
This carnival bus.
And an ACA. Lots of letters. And numbers. There's another little beaded.
So you know those
that's
big glass balls? Floats for like
tea light holder.
Oh,
Very, very dirty. I love copper. I have some cool copper
See, like this is
pieces in my kitchen, actually. And here we are in the woods and baskets. I'm not really seeing a whole lot on this shelf. That's pretty, but it doesn't look like monkey pod. No, and it's pretty scratched up. It's a nice tray. We got some wood pieces that somebody felt like painting. We got little bird houses they could paint. Not quite sure what that is. We got the wine cellar sign. I'm looking for another cool kind of like chest or something for my husband. He's already made a beautiful Christmas box. That was the last one I got for him. And you got all your plastics down here. Kind of glanced down there before and didn't really see anything. So we're going to swing around to glasses and plates and dishes. And we'll keep going if it's not busy. Lots and lots of clear glass stemware. Wow. Yeah. Those seem like they would be kind of awkward. Nothing broke. Otherwise you would have heard of ruh-roh. Well, I've seen a whole lot new on the glass shelf since we were here the last time. But they do have plenty of it, that is for sure. Okay, and we're going to swing over to plates and somebody's looking at the cups. I'm not really seeing a whole lot new here either that is for us. Goodwill is your place if you need some extra dinner plates or something. You're throwing a big party. This would be the place to come and maybe do a fun table with mix and match colors and designs. I've done that before, actually, and it was a lot of fun. Got a lot of compliments on the table. Looks like somebody decoupaged that. These cups are still hanging around. Over here to the cups. She doesn't belong here. And in here we're always looking for Death Wish coffee mugs, which again, those were a pottery mug, really well made, and there's some collectors out there that love them. And then we're always looking for Starbucks, here you are. What's this one? Soup and crackers. Oh, these are pretty. I think those are like fishbone plates. Is that what they call them? Very pretty. As I shared with you guys, I'm trying to expand not only my knowledge, but pieces that I select. I'm always so drawn to vintage glass items that I kind of run for them. It almost looks like it would glow on the top. But I'm not sure if that's the lid that goes. I'm going to check that out too. I just said, I want to expand my horizons of what I do, pick up a piece of glass. But I'm just so drawn to the vintage glass. But I know that there has to be a little bit of something for everyone out there. And not everyone is really into the vintage glass or collects it. These look like they're old. They don't have their bottoms. I haven't had much luck with salt and pepper shakers, and I've got a really cool, or really cute vintage pair of owl salt and pepper shakers on in my Macari store, and I'm going to be putting on this really vintage creamer. It's a cow. It was made in Germany, and it's very, very old. I'll be adding that there pretty soon. We didn't really find anything on that aisle. And the pieces that I was going to look up, there was that trinket dish. That lid didn't belong on it. The stone vase, unfortunately, had a great big huge chip in the back. So I put that back. And the glass vase didn't really have enough value, and when I kept looking at it, I wasn't sure if I liked the colors. So we're going to head over to art really quick, and then I think we're going to go to our next location. Let's see if they have anything small. Check that out first. It looks like it's been pretty well gone through. And those are not old. What I kind of look for is see if I spot an old frame, or what looks like it might be an old frame. And that looks like a print. It's not signed or anything. I think that was somebody's project piece. That's great for farmhouse style. I think it's so cute. That'd just be adorable in the kitchen. Some holes and peaches. But it's obviously way too big to ship as well. So I'm not really seeing anything here. So I think we're going to head to our next location. Hey guys, we're at Savers. It's 50% off store-wide on Mondays. And it's pretty busy. So right now we're going down the wire basket aisle. Shelves, some of the shelves are pretty barren, but others have quite a few things. I did find one thing that I think is adorable. It's cracker glass that goes on top of a jar candle. It's $3.99, but it's 50% off. So we're going to go ahead and grab that. Music's kind of loud in here, so I'm going to be talking extra kind of loud because I really don't want to dub in the annoying music. Here looks like this looks like one of those wooden bread boats, or oh, what do they call them? I just think they're so cool. A lot of people decorate with them. This one's really heavy. That's good size. I might have to think about that one. I'm thinking about it for myself, for the island in my kitchen, maybe. So let's see what else they got. Costa Rica. Theme copy. I like that. You know, if you guys, sometimes when we need inspiration and we're at the Goodwill store, I hope you dance. It's kind of good to go into the woods because a lot of times there's some pretty inspirational sayings in there. Okay. we're going to go around the corner here to picture frames. I'm not really seeing anything for us in the picture frames. Oh, this one is cute, and surprisingly, wow, the flowers have all their petals. $3.99. It's missing its glass. Is it supposed to have glass though? I don't know. That reminds me of something that'd be like in a shabby chic bedroom or something. More frames down here. And then over here is a lot of office supplies. And notebooks, school supplies. Honestly, I already looked through the baggies, so we won't go back over there. Now we're at the vase now. Look high up and low down. Oh, that red vase is pretty. Oh, look at all the flashes coming off of it. That's too bad because the color is beautiful. Like a ruby red. That's a very lightweight ruby over there. And then we have all the clear glass vases. I'm not seeing anything here for us. And we'll swing over to the tchotchke aisle, I guess. There's still some Christmas stuff, but we're not really looking for that. Oh, there's some Easter bunnies. Oh, this is really cute. It's a little tea light holder. Very cute. And sleeping bunny. I know, we got Easter right around the corner. And I will probably start picking up some things here pretty soon. Let's see what we got on the end cap. Oh, this is pretty, but there's only one. That is so pretty. $7.99. I might have to look that one up. It's half price. And then we got some. Wouldn't that be wonderful if that was a glossy baby? But it's not. Still looking, still hoping. Still got my fingers crossed. And one of these days it'll happen. I am going to walk into one of these secondhand stores and go, oh my gosh, there's a glassy baby and it's mine. What is this plate? That is project piece. Nicely done. Let's see what this is. It says made in China. It is pretty. Pretty heavy. Whiskey guys, we're having a party. And over here is candles. There's some plate chargers down there, some metal candle holders, glass, wood. These remind me of something old-fashioned. They look old. I like the shape of that with the rounded corners. And I think we'll head back down this way and go around. Well, there might be quite a few people. This looks like it's a project. Oh, too bad it's broken, but I think it's, oh, it's badly broken. That's too bad. Because I do think it's kind of cool. I like things that are a little bit on the quirky side. That's just contemporary. And that next aisle is pretty full, so I think we're going to scooch. And we're going to go over and look at some art, if that's not full. Excuse me. Lots and lots of books. What I'm looking for is like some oil paintings type art. I'm just starting to learn about art, so oh, those are cute. They look vintage. Little kids' room, baby's room. I'm not really seeing anything. At least I don't think I am. Well, guys, I think that's going to take care of it for us today. I might stop at Castaways on the way home. We shall see. Quick stop by Castaways. I went to Savers and found that glass candle cover, but the line was, it looked like a mile long. So I decided it wasn't worth it to stand in line for probably an hour or more. So right now I'm looking at vases, and I think I'm gonna swing around to the other side because there's a lady there looking at flowers. Oh, here we go. I'd like to get in that back room. That's what I'd like to do. Wouldn't we all, huh? Lots of clear vases. I love cobalt blue. Oh, that's really, really lightweight. I love cobalt blue. I like this purple too. $1.97. What does that say? Authentic 100% recycled glass. Made in Spain. We'll check it for... I like the color. I think we'll go ahead and grab that. I am the light of the world. He who follows me shall not walk in darkness. Cute. Let me see if it works. Battery might be dead. No, battery's good. I kind of like that. I think I'm going to put that in the cart as well. So it won't be a total bust today. Let's see. Very, very lightweight. I like the pattern on it though. It's cute. This looks, reminds me of a farmhouse. Well, that's kind of cool. It's a farmhouse, like a flower frog. $2.97. Somebody might like that. I think we'll pick that up. This is all the plastics. It's cute. I think it's not really for us. This is the beautiful lid to a candy dish. The aisles are filling up, you guys. So, let's see. Bring the backer up. We got a little potpourri and stuff. And we're gonna go this way. Let's go look at the mugs. Mexico, Acapulco. Not sure what that is. It's a coffee mug, but it doesn't have a branding on it or anything. What's this little guy? Is it a... Is it a whale? There's the eyes down there and like fins, but then there's like a nose. I don't know, I'm confused on that one. Don't see any Starbucks. This is the back side of the plastics. So we're gonna go back over here to the kitchen stuff, and sorry about the glare from that window. Not really seeing anything for us. I always look for Talavera plates. Okay guys, I think that is a wrap for today. Total spent for the day was $6.91. The couple things I found at Stavers I ended up putting back because the line was like so long it would have taken forever to get through checkout. So I did end up putting those back, but I sure enjoy bringing you guys along with me, and I hope you're enjoying it too. It would mean the world to me if you'd give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy taking you along with me. It's like I've said before, it's kind of like having your buddies going with you, you know? Your friends are coming along. So anyway, I enjoyed today. It's still raining here in Vegas, but it is muchly needed, so we do appreciate it. And I appreciate all of you. And until next time, peace out, and we will see you in a few days. Bye.